Alright, well, I made it to Big Sur, and hopefully you guys can see this is definitely one of the views of all time. And yeah, hopefully guys you enjoy some of these shots and whatever this video is. Like purple and stuff. What the heck? It's like purple. And here we see the photographer in their natural habitat, watching a sunset between some rocks. And what's funny is what I'm going to do right now. Alright, well, of course, I couldn't go to Big Sur without stopping at the Bixby Bridge, which is the iconic shot of the macOS wallpaper. I'm just trying to recover from a migraine, so this ending to the trip is a bit bittersweet, but you know what? It was amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed some of this stuff, and hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride. I'll definitely be back here one day. I mean, it's too majestic not to. This place is absolutely amazing, and yeah, I mean, just look at it during sunset. It looks so amazing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.